Hello student, I am Professor Gagre SM from Computer Department, So Sundarbai Manik Outsource Polytechnic, Chas Ahmednagar. In today's session, we see the one example of stack. The question is that the stack contains the numbers or the elements that is 10, 20, 22, 26, 28 and 30 with the 30 being at the top of the stack. Show diagrammatically the effect of the operation, that is the push 46, push 48, after that pop operation, pop and push 82. So the solution is that firstly we have to create one stack with the containing these elements, and the top will at the 30 location. So first we create a stack, that is the empty stack. After that, in that stack we insert the elements that are the given. First element is 10, 20, 22, 26, 28 and 30. As per the questions, the stack containing these elements. So I inserted these all the elements into stack, and the top will at your this location. Top indicating the 30 being as a top. So top indicating a 30 location or 30 element. After that, show diagrammatically the effect of. So we have to push the 46 into our stack. So next stage, push 46. Push 46. So the stack will be after the push 46, the stack will be this line, and the top will be indicating as a 46. Top will be moved from 30 to 46. After that, the next operation is that again push 48. So I am pushing the 48 into stack. So the stack will be after pushing 48. Push means we have to insert the element. So the top will be increment by 1. So we perform first push operation, that is the 46 into stack. After that 48 will be pushing that stack. After that the next operation is that pop. So we have to delete the element from the stack. So the next operation is pop. Pop means deleting the element. So the top will be deleting the first element. Why? Because in stack we have to only one end. So in that end we inserted element. In that end we have to delete. So we inserted the element from top. So also we have to delete the element from the top. So after the pop operation, 48 will be deleted and top will be decrement by 1. So in that way we pop the element from the stack. So again we have to next operation is that pop. So again we pop the element from stack. After the pop operation, the 46 will be deleted and the top will be decremented by 1. So your top it at this location. Why? Because we firstly pop the 48, after that we pop 46. So the 46 will be deleted and the top will be decremented by 1. So this is the pop operation. Again we have to pop after pop operation performed on this stack, the 30 will be deleted and the top will be decremented by 1. And last operation is that push 48. So we have to push 82. Sorry, we have to push 82 into a stack. So 82 will be inserted at the top location. So top will be incremented by 1 and the new element 82 is inserted. So this is the final answer we have got after the performing this all the operations, that is the push and pop. Push means we have to insert the element and pop means we have to delete the element. So we got the final answer. So our solution is that firstly we have to push 46, after that push 48, then we perform 3 operations of a pop and the last operation push, that is the 82, we have to insert it to stack. In that way we solve this question. So thank you student. The remaining part will be seen in next session.